If you ever run into issues while using Twilio and need quick help, here's exactly how to contact Twilio Support. And if this video helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Start by logging into your Twilio Console. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Help Center link. You'll usually find it right on the dashboard or in the left side menu. Click it to open Twilio's dedicated support area. Inside the Help Center, you'll find troubleshooting articles, FAQs, and step-by-step guides. It's always worth checking these first, because many problems can be solved quickly without needing direct assistance. If you still need help, look for the Contact Support option inside the Help Center. Click it and you'll be taken to a support form where you can explain the issue you're facing. Try to be as clear and detailed as possible and attach screenshots if available. It helps the support team resolve your issue faster. Once submitted, Twilio will get back to you inside the console or via email. Make sure your notifications are enabled so you don't miss their response. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to reach Twilio Support anytime you need assistance. If you'd like a tutorial on upgrading support level or accessing live chat, just drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.